Sometimes, happiness feels far away, like something we must chase. But the truth is simple. Happiness begins with one small step from you. You don't need a perfect life. You don't need everything to be right. You only need the courage to start changing your story. Slowly, gently, one day at a time. Every morning gives you two choices: stay the same or move forward. Walk a little, learn something new, speak kindly to yourself, forgive your mistakes. Try again even when you feel tired. These small actions create a big change. Remember this: you are stronger than your thoughts. You are bigger than your fears. You are closer to happiness than you think. The way to happiness is not a race. It is not a competition. It is a personal journey. Your journey. Walk at your own pace. Grow in your own time. And do not compare your chapter 1 to someone's chapter 20. If today is heavy, that's okay. Rest. Breathe. Begin again tomorrow. You are allowed to be human. But do not give up. Not now. Not when your future is waiting for you. Happiness is already inside you. You only have to look, listen, and believe that you deserve it. So take a step, a small step, because every step you take toward yourself is a step toward happiness. In the end, happiness is not something we wait for. It is something we create, step by step, through our choices and our daily actions. You don't need to be perfect, and you don't need to have everything figured out. You only need the courage to start, the patience to continue, and the belief that you deserve a better life. Every small effort you make brings you closer to peace, confidence, and joy. So keep moving forward, keep learning, keep trying. Your way to happiness has already begun, and your best days are still ahead. Keep going.